Hello everyone, here is a question based on mole concept and chemical equilibrium. 28 gram of nitrogen and 6 gram of hydrogen were mixed in a 1 liter closed container. At equilibrium, 17 gram of ammonia was produced. Calculate the weight of nitrogen and hydrogen at equilibrium. Let us first write the balanced equation. We have N2 reacting with H2 giving ammonia. We have 2 nitrogen atoms, therefore on the product side we should put 2. We have 6 hydrogen atoms now, therefore we have to put 3 in front of hydrogen. Now the equation is balanced. Initially when T equal to 0, we have A moles of N2 and B moles of H2, and we will not be having anything on the product side. But when T equal to T equilibrium, this will become A minus X and this will become B minus 3X. Why 3X? Because the stoichiometric coefficient is 3 here. So when we have 1 mole of N2, we require 3 moles of H2. Just cross multiply. We have N2, H2. When we have 1 mole here, we require 3 mole here. So therefore, when this is X and this is Y, if we cross multiply, then Y has to be 3X, isn't it? So that's why we are putting 3X here. And then we will get 2X here. Now, the weight of nitrogen is given and the weight of hydrogen is also given. So that means we can figure out what is A and B, because we know that number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Therefore, number of moles of N2 is equal to mass given is 28 gram. Molar mass of N2 is 14 times 2, therefore 28 gram per mole. So this means number of moles of N2 is 1 mole and that is equal to A, and number of moles of H2 is equal to 6 gram divided by molar mass of H2 is 2 gram per mole, and therefore this will be 3 mole and that is equal to B. Therefore, we can write that 1 minus X and 3 minus 3X to 2X, isn't it? Now, at equilibrium, 17 gram of ammonia was produced. This means we can calculate the number of moles of ammonia based on the weight given. So 17 gram divided by molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram per mole, because 14 plus 3. So this will be 1 mole, and therefore the number of moles of ammonia we got at equilibrium is 1 mole. This means 2X is equal to 1 mole, isn't it? So therefore, if 2X is equal to 1 mole, then X is equal to 1 by 2 mole. Now we know the value of X and therefore we can easily solve this. At equilibrium, what we have here 1 minus X, we figured out the value of X. X is 1 by 2 mole, and therefore we can find out the number of moles of N2 as well as H2, and through which we can find out the weight. So 1 minus 1 by 2 mole is equal to number of moles of N2. Therefore, half a mole equal to number of moles of N2. Therefore, half a mole is equal to mass of N2 divided by molar mass of N2. Molar mass of N2 is 28 gram per mole. Therefore, 1 by 2 times 28 gram per mole. Here we have mole, so mole per mole will cancel and this will be 14 gram. Therefore, mass of N2 is 14 gram. How about H2? Number of moles of H2 is equal to 3 minus 3X and therefore that is equal to 3 minus 3 times x is 1 by 2. Therefore, this will be 3 minus 3 by 2. Therefore, that will be equal to 3 by 2. So, number of moles of H2 equal to 3 by 2 mole. Therefore, mass of H2 is equal to 3 by 2 mole times molar mass of H2 is 2 gram per mole. Therefore, mass of H2 is equal to 3 gram. So, that is the correct answer. 14 gram of N2, 3 gram of H2 is the weight at equilibrium.